All right, welcome to my sound demo of the KEF Q350s and Q3s. I'm not going to tell you which speaker is which because I want you guys to just have a listen to both of them. And just let me know if you like the outer pair of speakers or the inner pair of speakers. The DVD case on top of the speaker will signify which speaker is currently playing. Now, I know this room could use a little bit of room treatment, but it is what it is. So I'm going to do my best to convey the differences between these two speakers on camera. I'm going to be feeding these speakers source material from my Super Audio CD player. So let's get started.
That's the way you do it. You play the guitar on the MTV. That ain't working, that's the way you do it. Money for nothing and the chicks for free. Now that ain't working, that's the way you do it. Let me tell you, them guys ain't done. Maybe get a pistol on your little finger. Maybe get a pistol on your thumb. We got some install microwave ovens, custom kitchen deliveries. We got some movies, refrigerators. We got some movies, color TV. The hoop for in the game of life. Yeah. Andy Kaufman in the wrestling match. Yeah. Monopoly 21 checkers and chess. Yeah. Mr. Fred Blassie in the breakfast mess. Yeah. Let's play Twister, let's play Risk. Yeah. I'll see you in heaven if you make a mess. Yeah. Now Andy, did you hear about this one? Tell me, are you locked in the pines? Andy, are you cooping on Elms? Hey, baby, are we losing touch? If you believe they put a man on the moon,
but still I had to play this painful part. You got me round the bitty finger with your magic smile. You kept me hanging on the lovers cross a while. You put your spell on me, took my breath away, but there was nothing I could do to make you stay. I
I did my best to try and convey the differences between these two speakers, so let me know what you think by leaving a comment down below. My look inside video on the KEF Q3 Meta will be out later this month, and I'll give you my listening impressions of these two speakers in that video. So long, and happy listening!